New cars are often equipped with advanced computer technology to enhance our lives behind the wheel. Offerings like navigation screens, keyless entry, and even remote starting are now standard equipment and highly coveted by car owners. While these technological advancements offer numerous conveniences for drivers, they've also inadvertently made cars easier to steal. In 2022, more than 1 million vehicles were reported stolen in the United States. That's one every 45 seconds. With its inventory of hundreds of cars on the lot, Chris George knows all too well that his dealership is an attractive target.
Security is a big issue for us, and being able to keep track of our inventory is very important. Technology is a tool. The benefit of technology and being one step ahead is to be able to put the tools in the hands of our employees and our customers to make their life easier. Buying a car should be easy. Keeping track of it should be easy. I was frustrated with what we had. We had an alarm system that we would provide to customers for years, and it was one-dimensional. It wasn't sufficient to actually do the job in the way that I wanted to do the job for our own needs and for the benefit of the consumer.
As experts in automobile security for over 30 years, Stargard GPS is a stolen vehicle recovery service for dealerships and their customers.
So how cars are being stolen now is much more sophisticated than it used to be. When you think of auto theft, you might think of someone with a crowbar hot-wiring a vehicle, and that's just not how they are being stolen anymore. These vehicles are coming much more sophisticated now. The convenience features that the customers are getting, such as a keyless fob to enter the vehicle, is actually making it more vulnerable to auto theft. These vehicles come with some sort of factory security already, whether it's a keyless alarm or a location device. For over 35 years, our company has specialized in auto security for car dealerships to offer to their customers. Our mission is to constantly evolve as technology is advancing.
Some of the features that were very attractive for us in discovering Stargard were the fact that you could locate your inventory at any time on the lot 24 hours a day, that you could check the status of a battery, that you would know if a car actually moved after hours. So it provided answers to questions without wasting time, effort, and energy and man hours.
A Stargard GPS device is installed in the vehicle that transmits a GPS and cellular signal, pinpointing and triangulating the vehicle's exact location.
The reality is that if your vehicle is actually stolen, the insurance company has 30 days to find and recover your vehicle. Typically, they find it. They find it 3 weeks later. We make the difference on not if they get it back, but when they get it back. Once a customer has realized their vehicle has been stolen, they can immediately contact our 24-hour call center. Our team will assist them with filing a police report. By doing this, we treat this as a priority 1 crime in process. Our team will work directly with the dispatchers and provide real-time coordinates to lead the police directly to that theft location. We even have a task force that will go into Mexico in the event the vehicle breaches the United States border. Not only are we protecting the customer's vehicle and their belongings inside the vehicle, we're protecting their personal information.
With an average recovery time of 30 minutes or less, Stargard technology protects your vehicle with an advanced theft protection and vehicle location service.
Some of the features on the application give the consumer full visibility of their vehicle to see where it is in real time. They can look at past and historical location information as well. They can do custom alerts, which would allow them to monitor the speed threshold of the vehicle, set geofencing. We have a feature on our platform called the Theft Fence Alert. What this allows the customer to do is simply set a custom alert. They can get an immediate text or email knowing if that vehicle is moving when it shouldn't be. Ultimately, we're giving our customers peace of mind, whether it's they're driving their vehicle, forgot where they parked, if they're loaning the vehicle out, if they have a teenage driver driving it, or they go to a nice dinner and they have a valet driver. It just gives the customer peace of mind that the car is where it should be.
It's a fantastic tool to obviously locate and identify where something is. And then when you call law enforcement, if they're not going to pick it up on a camera with a plate reader, we can actually give them the exact location, and frequently we'd have our car back within hours. Some of the feedback we get from our customers from having the Stargard product on their vehicle is peace of mind, because they know they have answers to questions in time of need.
When shopping for your next car, be sure to ask your dealership about Stargard GPS. You can also go to their website, stargardgps.com, and as always, you can visit us at designingspaces.tv.